All of you ready? Ready with your books? Okay. In the last class, what we have learned? We learned how to prepare a ledger or Pawan's account. We prepared Pawan's account in the last class. Today we are going to learn how to prepare various accounts from the following journal entries. Let's start. Like this, they give you problem. Generalize the following transactions of Mr. Prahlad and post them in the ledger. Okay. What are the transactions? On February 1st, 2019, Prahlad invested 50,000 cash. What is the entry for that? Cash account data to capital account and paid into bank. What's the account? What's the entry? Bank account data to cash account. And purchase the furniture. You all know it very well. What is the entry for that?
Furniture account
Data to
cash
account. And coming to the next, purchase the goods, same.
purchase account
Data to
cash
account. And coming to the next transaction, withdraw cash from bank. What is the entry? Cash account data to bank account. And coming to the last, paid interest paid means expenses. Then interest account data to
cash
account. Okay, these are the general entries. With the help of the general entries, now we are going to post them in ledger. Okay, fast listen. After that, you can draw. Okay, first cash account. See, first entry, cash account. In the cash account we write it to, what we write? To debit account name. To, this is credit, this is cash account to capital account. Here, to credit account name. To, here credit account is capital. So, write to capital account. What's the amount? 50,000. And next transaction to cash account. So by bank account. What's the amount? 6,000. Next, furniture to cash. So furniture also comes this side by furniture. What's the amount? 2,000. Next, purchases account data to cash account. So by purchases. What's the amount? 5,000. And next entry, cash account to bank. Bank account. What's the amount? 2,000. And interest account to cash account. So interest by interest. Credit accounts you can recognize easily. Two entries with 2 always comes in this side. You have to add by. For credit side, we have to add by. By to debit accounts. Interest account. 800. What's the total? 52,000. 52. What's the total amount? Balance 30 38,200. So by balance carried down. So this balance have to be brought down. Here two balance brought down. 38,200. Can anyone say anything from this? Total cash available to us is 52,000. We have spent this. Remaining amount is 38,200 to balance brought down. Okay. And coming to bank, any transactions relating to bank to cash, to always comes on this side, to cash account. What's the amount? 6,000. And here another transaction relating to bank, to bank. So what comes here? By cash. 2,000. Brought down the balance. 6,000. Okay. 4,000 by balance carried down. Now to balance brought down. What's the remaining amount in the bank? What's the remaining amount in the bank? What's the remaining amount?
4,000.
4,000. Now purchases. Purchases here. Now to cash. 5,000. Any entry regarding purchases? Any entry regarding purchases here?
February 7th.
Any single entry, huh? So 5,000. By balance carried down. 5,000 to balance brought down. What's the date?
February 7th.
In the month ending February 28th. March 1st. This is on balance on March 1st. What's the date here? Bank account.
March 2nd.
February 15th. On March 1st. Okay. And coming to the furniture account. February 5th. Furniture account to cash. 2,000. Any interest with furniture? No. So
2,000.
2,000. 2,000 by balance carried down on February 28. 2,000. Again, to balance brought down on March 1st. 2,000. Okay. Interest account. To cash on February 25th. What's the amount? 800. Any interest regarding interest? No. So, balance. 800. By balance carried down on February 28th. Month ending.
Oh.
And this amount is carried forward to next month, March 1st. To balance
Account.
brought down.
On.
Okay. And remaining account capital. February 1st. Buy cash. February 1st. What's the amount? 50,000. 50,000. Okay. Buy car. To balance
Account.
carried down. Here carried down. Okay. Next, buy balance
Brought down.
brought down. Here 50,000. Okay. Okay. Any doubts? Now can you understand how to draw accounts from general entries? Okay. Any doubts? If you practice it more, you are able to draw these accounts without general entries also. Okay.